What's up guys, welcome to Internet Moola. In this video I will show you how to change the account username on a Mac. So the first thing, click on the Apple icon and then System Preferences. Now click Users and Groups and then click the padlock to unlock the Mac. Type your password and click Unlock. Now choose the administrator user or another user. So whatever you want. I'm gonna choose the admin user and then click on the plus icon. Now, as you see, you have the ability to choose standard or administrator. I'm gonna choose administrator and then I'm gonna type like smart ones. You can choose also an account name, a password. I'm gonna choose, for example, my password, and click create user. And as you see, here is the account that I created, and that's an administrator account user. So like that, you can create a new account without any problem. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.